Hey guys, today I have a Whirlpool washer and Kenmore electric dryer that we're going to get through this cycle here for y'all to see. Kind of as if you're standing here yourself checking it out, you get to see that everything on it's working perfect. That way you know when you get home, plug it in, you're going to be good to go. Now I've got an extra little lid striker here that I bought so I can stick it here. It thinks the lid's closed and we can see what's going on. So right now it's filling up with water on a warm. There's hot and then cold, and just do it so it actuates both valves there. Cool thing about this machine is though it spins super fast and has those HE-like qualities of getting the clothes super light because of how fast it spins, we still get to control the water level. So we're gonna get full submersion on this really heavy towel load here, and I'll show you that once it's all done. But I've got it set as far as time-wise, this is kind of like a quick wash. What you've got here, extra heavy, regular, and light. This is going to designate how long it's going to agitate. That's the difference in these. It's a timing thing. Has nothing to do with how much water it uses or anything like that. It's all about the agitator, and you've also got a delicate cycle and some additional options here. But it's filling up right now, and for the sake of time, I'm going to pause and we'll come back when it's full, agitating. Then I'll show you that it drains the water out like it's supposed to and has a fast, smooth final spin cycle. Then when it's all done, we will move over to the dryer. Okay, and we're back. It is filled all the way up, full submersion, so it's getting started agitating those clothes, and it's gonna vortex those clothes down as it moves along, pushing them down the middle, up, back, and out the sides. That's how the agitation pattern works on this. And the agitator will also switch from, this is just a regular pulse, but it has a fast pulse and a long pulse where it takes its time. So it'll kind of switch up and sound a little different as it moves along, but I'm gonna let it move through this full agitation cycle, the wash cycle, and then we'll come back as it drains between the wash and the rinse cycle. All right, it is draining that water out. Nice and fast, you hear the drain running. Of course, it's gonna drain all the water out, spin to extract that soapy water as it moves into the rinse cycle. Then it's gonna fill back up with fresh water, agitate for a bit, and then drain out once again. And once that happens, we will be on to the final spin cycle, which is what I'll come back for next. All right, we're on the final spin. Just show you here. Nice smooth operation. Of course, I can lift this up because of my little bypass there. You see it's spinning super fast. Doing an excellent job. Max extracting the water out of those clothes. So when we toss them over into the dryer, it's going to take the least amount of time to get them dry. So as soon as those are done, that's exactly what we'll do. We'll toss them over there in the dryer and show you that the dryer works perfectly. Okay, now we've got those clothes moved over here to the electric dryer, so we can close that. We're going to put it on time dry, which is a high heat setting. Made sure the lint trap cleaned out before each and every load, and we just hit go to start that. The washer's cleared out, so we're done there. What I'll do is give this just a second here to heat up, and I'm going to show you with my temperature gun that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So here we're just doing time dry, 60 seconds. It is, like I said, a high heat setting. You also have an air only, so no heat, super delicate mode for just about any of those super delicate items you need to get dry. Then you also have an automatic dry, which is a low heat setting, although if you kick it over here on the more side, it'll get just about anything dry, and it knows how long to go and how much heat to use. So an auto setting there. I kind of just let everything rip on time dry, 60 minutes. But let me show you that it is heating. So in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. It's about 76, 77 degrees on top of the dryer. Concrete floor, it's about 72. So you can hear it running, you can see. Nice smooth operation. I don't even have the vent hose on the back, which will muffle this to just about silent. But it's super quiet even without that hose on the back. Anyway, we'll open this up. You can see everything's tumbling. And right inside that heating element tube there, you can see plenty of heat coming out of that tube. That in turn is going to heat the inside of the dryer up anywhere from about 95 all the way up to 195. Just depends on how long it's been running and what you have that heat setting at. And as you can see, those clothes came out super light from the washer from being spun so fast. So Close that back up. Just hit start. So I will go ahead and let that finish up, and I'll go ahead and get these listed up for sale. Now when you get them home, plug them in, you'll be good to go. And appreciate you taking the time to watch my video today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And thanks. You guys have a great day.